The Aeroscope is a wireless, ultra-portable oscilloscope probe that wirelessly transmits data to a phone or tablet for display. The Aeroscope is small enough to fit inside mobile systems and take measurements as they are used, such as monitoring a drone signal while flying. It measures just 20 by 30 by 118 millimeters and features a single channel with a 20 MHz analog bandwidth and 100 megasamples per second sample rate. The input can be AC or DC coupled, has a measurable range of plus or minus 40 volts, and a 1 megaohm 17 picofarad impedance. It integrates Bluetooth 4.0 that can communicate over distances of 100 feet or more, and a rechargeable battery that can provide 8+ hours per charge for all-day use.